Welcome to the presentation, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a really good match that we've witnessed, and India Red winning the Duleep Trophy for the season 2017-18. First, the BCCI would like to thank all the sponsors of the Paytm Duleep Trophy 2017, the title sponsor Paytm, official partners Hyundai, Pepsi, and Jana Lakshmi Financial Services. The BCCI would also like to thank the Uttar Pradesh Cricket Association, the district administration, all other government organizations, and all those involved in the smooth conduct of the Duleep Trophy final match here at the Ekhana International Cricket Stadium, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. In the presentation party to my left, we have the dignitaries. We have Mr. C.K. Khanna, the acting president of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, Mr. Manoj Pundir, the chairman Umpires Committee and executive committee member of the Uttar Pradesh Cricket Association. First of all, I'd like to call upon Washington Sundar, who's the Paytm man of the match. He's had a splendid match, 88-42, 5 wickets and 6 wickets, 11 wickets in the match. He's our Paytm man of the match. He will receive the check of 25,000 rupees from Mr. C.K. Khanna. Washington Sundar, on his debut, putting in a fantastic performance. The first man to get 10 wickets and a 50 on a Duleep Trophy debut. Your thoughts on that?
Yeah, it's a very good feeling, especially in a final against India blue side, which is a very big game, and I was able to get a 50 in the first innings, and both innings I was able to get 5 wickets. It's really heartening.
And you started your career as a batsman who also bowls, so making those valuable contributions with the run would tell people that you're an all-rounder.
Definitely, as I grew up playing cricket, I wanted to concentrate on my bowling as well because I thought I was bowling well in the nets as well. So yeah, it does keep me in the game always. Bowling. Even in the one days or T20 or in the longer formats, you get to bowl, you get to contribute in all aspects of the game for your team. It's a good feeling.
And the batting approach on a difficult pitch, you got runs in both the innings. So did you have to apply yourself extra?
Definitely in the second innings, we were not in a good position when I went in, and I thought I should be spending a lot of time inside, and I didn't have a lot of confidence in my defense, so I thought I'll spend some time and get a partnership with Inder.
And in your bowling, you bowled brilliantly in both the innings. And second innings, we saw you bowl round the stumps a lot more. Are you getting used to that angle, bowling to the right-handers on a pitch that the ball's turning?
Definitely, I think bowling round the wickets and getting turned from the fourth off stump, gives a lot of options for wicket taking, and I think I'll grow, as I keep playing matches on such tracks.
We had a great start to the season. Wish you all the best for the rest of the season.
Thanks a lot.
Well, there's the Paytm man of the match. It's a young man, Washington Sundar. Now I'd like to call upon Suresh Raina. Suresh Raina, the captain of India Blue. He'd be disappointed, lost the toss. To come and have a few words, Suresh. Suresh, did the toss really matter a great deal?
It did actually, to be honest, I think. But credit goes to DK team. They played really well, and it was nothing on the wicket initially. But from ball one, it was happening later on. But I think credit goes to Prithvi Shah. I think he showed really good character, and Sundar, I think he bowled really well and made those crucial run in between. But I think when you're playing Duleep Trophy final, it has to be something for the batting unit later on. We lost the toss and we lost the game, I think.
I think one big partnership, 211 between Dinesh Karthik and Prithvi Shaw, did it make all the difference in this match?
No, I think if you ask me, I think we really showed our character. First inning we scored 300, second inning we almost 210, and me and Mano, when we were batting, we thought we were going to be there till 2 more overs or 10 more overs because everything was happening like very quick. I think credit goes to still Washington. I think he was a game changer for them.
And we spoke to Bhargav Bhatt before the match started, and he said you guys are confident of winning, which is a positive frame of mind from your boys.
Definitely, I think each 100 showed how to play in this turning track. But still, I think it was very difficult to bat on the second inning when you lost the toss and everywhere is turning and bouncing. Still, you need to hang in there, but it has to do something for the second inning. I think you can't just rely on toss and just move on. But still, I think overall, if you see, thanks to the stadium and thanks to the sponsor and BCCI, I think we play really good cricket. But still, I think it could have been better.
You guys tried really hard and bad luck for this game.
No problem. Thank you.
And Suresh Raina, you'll also receive the trophy, Raina. You'll receive the trophy. It's the VJ Divecha trophy for the runners-up in the Duleep Trophy. It's the other one, sir. It's a smaller one, the VJ Divecha trophy. Suresh Raina would love to have the Duleep Trophy, but it's this one, the VJ Divecha trophy, will be given away by Mr. C.K. Khanna, the acting president of the BCCI. Suresh Raina will receive the award on his side's behalf with Abhimanyu Ishwaran, who got a splendid 100. Pictures can be taken. And next, I'd like to call upon Dinesh Karthik, the captain of the winning side. Dinesh Karthik from India Red, getting a fabulous 100, 200s in the tournament. So Dinesh, last year was a fantastic year for you in Ranji Trophy and a great start to this season. Can't ask for anything better.
Definitely, I think, on a personal note, it was a great tournament for me. And more importantly, we did well as a team, and it was a good way to start the season.
And how positive were you? You played one match before this match in this venue, and how important was that?
I mean, definitely, it was very important, the fact that we got some knowledge, beforehand about the way we played. But, hats off to Inderjit and Washington, the way they batted in the second innings, got us out of trouble. Inderjit, the 200 that he got the previous game, set us up. At the end of the day, it's been a great tournament. I think a lot of the boys have done well. The bowling was decent, but some of the boys have really stood up. Prithvi batted brilliantly in both the innings. I think great talent to watch for. Priyank was good as well. But Inderjit and Washington stood out for us in this final.
Prithvi Shaw mentioned in the interview that you were guiding through his innings. What were the things that you were saying to young Prithvi Shaw?
I mean, he was batting really well. He was kind of dominating the innings. All I was telling him is just the key to winning this game would be to bat as long as we can in the first inning. So I was just trying to prolong him. It's very easy to get 100 and then play a loose shot. So I told him that keep going. It's tough conditions out here. It's mentally very draining, physically really hard as well. So I told him to keep going for as long as he could. And I think he did a really good job at that.
And have you made any changes to your own batting because you're looking more in control, you're not taking too many risks, and you're contributing in a significant manner consistently?
I think it's important, you reach a stage where you want to be playing far more responsibly, winning games for the teams that you play, no matter which team you play for. The key is to be helping them win matches, and that's what I'm trying to focus on. At this stage, I think the key would be to not just bat well, but make sure that you win games, and that's what I'm trying to do whenever I bat.
And as a wicketkeeper, you did brilliantly on a turning track. And as a captain, you were encouraging Washington Sundar, even in the first innings, to go around the stumps to use a different angle. So what is the thought process behind that?
I think, Washington is somebody who's a phenomenal talent. He's getting a lot of advice. In fact, I know you're playing it low. You've told him as well to bowl round the wicket, which made a lot of difference because he's got a lot of wickets. And, he's had a great start to his first-class career now. He didn't play too many games last year, but just the way, the confidence he's carrying from the tournaments he's played before this, he's just going from strength to strength. It's important to groom him. I think he's a big player. He's a player for the future. It's important that, things don't go too fast to his head. He just stays calm. I think he has a bright future with the Indian cricket team.
And also with plenty of domestic cricket being played on a regular basis, there's so much to travel, you're a professional. How do you handle everything, the travel, the cricket, the mental focus?
It's hard, before this you play a 20-20 match, then you play a ODI, and then you come back and play a 4-day game. So it's the key to all of this is adaptability. You need to be hitting the gym, training hard, making sure you're very fit through the year. That's one of the key things because it's very important to remain fit and play consistently and keep doing well. I mean, as I said, it's very important to be consistent in winning games as well. And I think, all the boys did that really well today.
Well, you make a lot of sacrifices just to receive the award. Congratulations on winning the Duleep Trophy.
Thank you.
Dinesh Karthik will receive the Duleep Trophy, the winners, India Red, and they will receive the winning trophy from Mr. C.K. Khanna. It's the Paytm Duleep Trophy to be awarded to the winning side. They can call his teammates over and celebrate. It's been a great effort from the boys. Dinesh Karthik and his young guns have won the Duleep Trophy for the season 2017-18.